Go.
What about the...
I could even read it now that I can see it on the screen. I think we're rolling. Yeah, we're 3 seconds in. Algebra 1, 2-9, scene 1, no, scene 5, take 1. Problem 4, finding a base. Oh, that's why you're still hanging around. 125% of what number is 17.5? Finding a base. Did we skip a slide? Nope. I feel prepared for this, but I thought they might walk us through this type of problem before we got one. I guess that's what the problem's going to do. So again, percent equation, A equals P% times B, and plug in what we're given. Well, 125% goes in place of P, and then 17.5, here's where we have to be careful. Of what number? 125% of what number is 17.5? So remember I talked about the shortcut of. Whatever value comes after of, when we're talking about the percent proportion, goes to the denominator because it's the base. When we're talking about the percent equation, it goes to the base, B. So we don't know what this is. It's going to remain a variable. So B stays B, the variable. And that's what we need to solve for. Now our 17.5 works out to be the part of the base, so it goes in place of A. So having substituted those two values, like so often in algebra, we now have an equation that has just one variable left, and our job is to solve for that one variable. So we perform the one step, we really first convert 125% to decimal form, 1.25. Then we complete that one-step equation, divide both sides of the equation by 1.25 to find that B equals 14. So in our final answer, we state 125% of 14 is 17.5. Your turn. 30% of what number is 12.5? Solve the problem using the percent equation. Then solve the problem using the percent proportion.